Good morning, one and all. Welcome to class number 7. So, today's topics are few definitions related to power quality. First one, failure mode. The effect by which failure is observed is called as failure mode. Okay, that means it is electrical or magnetic failure or electrical failure or thermal failure, etc. Whatever the effect is called as failure mode. Fast tripping refers to the common utility protective relaying practice in which the circuit breaker or liner recloser operates faster than a fuse can blow. Fast tripping means very fast. That means whenever a fault occurs, what will happen? First, the fuse will blow. If a switch operates or relay operates below the blowing of the fuse, that is known as fast tripping. That means the first relay will operate before the switch is before the fuse is blown. It will automatically isolate the faulty section. That is called as fast tripping. Okay, generally it is used in transmission and generator stations. Why? Because the faults on the generator stations are very severe, and similarly single line to ground fault on the transmission line is also very dangerous. That's why at very high voltages generally we use these fast tripping devices. Fault. What is meant by fault? You know already in computer techniques of the power system, CMPS, we will discuss about what is meant by fault. Okay. What is fault? What are the different types of faults, etc. Just we will see now. Fault generally refers to a short circuit on the power system. So, fault means there are two different types of faults are there, open circuit as well as short circuit, but open circuit faults are very rare, only 1% of the total faults. Remaining 99% of the faults are short circuit faults only. That's why a fault is generally treated as a short circuit. Next one, fault transient. A short circuit on the power system usually induced by lightning, tree branches or animals, which can be cleared by momentarily interrupting the current. Momentary means tree branch falling on the power line, lightning suddenly fall on the power line, or animals falling on the power line, which is momentary in nature. If a tree branch falls on the power line, immediately short circuit occurs, the tree will burn automatically, the fault will be cleared within seconds or less than 1 second. Similarly, lightning suddenly occurs, a huge amount of voltage will flow through the power line with a fraction of a second. Within microseconds or milliseconds, the lightning will vanish. So, therefore, this is known as transient faults, which are very momentary in nature, and they will clear by themselves. Okay, transient faults are cleared by themselves. There is no need to trip automatically or manually by any switches. There is no required. Okay. Next, ferro resonance, an irregular, often chaotic type of resonance that involves the non-linear characteristics of iron core ferrous inductors. It is nearly always undesirable when it occurs in the power delivery system, but it is exploited in technologies such as constant voltage transformers to improve the power quality. So, ferro resonance means an irregular, often chaotic type of resonance that involves the non-linear characteristics of iron core inductors. Okay, especially when you are using iron core inductors, many number of inductors, what will happen is the inductors are resonating devices. The resonance will happen in the iron core, not in the windings, in the iron core, because all are operating with the same frequency. Therefore, ferrous resonance will occur in these coils or inductors. Okay, it is an undesirable quantity Therefore, we should avoid it. Then only we can get the quality of power. Okay. Flicker. We know already flicker means, so there is so many people will confuse with flicker as well as interruption. Okay. Interruption is different, flickering is different. Interruption means power will be completely cut off. Flicker means power is not completely cut off. Okay. There is drastic changes in the current or voltage with high frequency. Okay. They will cause flicker. So flicker means, the definition is an impression of unsteadiness, visual sensation induced by a light stimulus whose luminance or spectral distribution fluctuates with time. Okay. Especially when the voltage is suddenly fluctuating, voltage fluctuations are very, very sudden, then you can see in the bulbs flickering, bright, dark, bright, dark, bright, dark, like this. They will flicker continuously with high frequency. Okay. So this is unsteadiness of visual sensation induced by the light stimulus due to spectral distribution fluctuates with respect to time. Light spectrum is disturbing with respect to time. That is called flicker. Frequency deviation. An increase or decrease in the power frequency is called frequency deviation. The duration of a frequency deviation can be from several cycles to several hours. Okay. So frequency deviation can be from small seconds, several seconds to several hours also will be there. Generally, plus or minus 5% of the frequency deviation is acceptable according to IEEE standards. For example, in India, 50 Hz frequency means the permissible frequency range which is acceptable means 49.5 to 50.5. Okay. Plus or minus approximately plus or minus 5%. Okay. It is acceptable, or 10%, for example, 10%, 50.5 to 49.5 to 50.5, plus or minus 10% is acceptable. Similarly, in voltage also plus or minus 10% is acceptable. If it is deviates more than this, that is known as frequency deviation. Frequency response in power quality usage generally refers to the variation of impedance of the system or metering transducer as a function of frequency. Okay. So frequency response means with respect to frequency, how the variation of impedance of the system. Okay. Generally, when frequency varies, impedance varies, because impedance is equal to R plus J into XL or minus XC. Okay. Therefore, when frequency changes, impedance will changes. When impedance changes, automatically the performance of the equipment also changes. Therefore, frequency response is nothing but the variation of the impedance of the system with respect to or as a function of frequency. Last one, fundamental component. The component of the order of 1 of the Fourier series of a periodic quantity. In the Fourier series, the 1 of the Fourier series, order 1 of the Fourier series is known as fundamental component. Generally, in Fourier series, the fundamental component is 50 Hz or 60 Hz. The remaining are nothing but even and odd multiples of the fundamental. Okay. So this is the definitions related to power quality. In the next class, we will discuss about the few more definitions. Thank you, one and all.